Hi, I'm Simon from Hot Clay, and today I'm going to talk about the ST215 programmer, which comes with the rotor kiln. The ST215 is a really easy programmer to set up. It's a really intuitive programmer to use, and what we're going to do is use the Hot Clay firing advice, and we're going to program in a slow biscuit firing into the kiln. This is the Stafford ST215 controller. It's a very simple controller with just 4 buttons on it. There's an up and down button and a forward and back button. So to select the program that you want to put into the kiln, you just press that forward button and that will give you the program that you want to use. So here it's showing program 1, but you can press the up button and you can choose program 2, 3, right up to program 10. And then you can come back down through the programs to choose the program that you want. We're going to program in program 1 here, and we're going to use the firing advice from Hot Clay to put in a slow bisque firing. So by pressing the forward button again, it just gives the first ramp, which is an up ramp, and you can see that by the little arrow there, and you can see that it's segment 1 by the 1 in the small box on the left hand side there. So that's 80 degrees centigrade. And then if I press the forward button again, it gives me the temperature that I want to fire to. Now this temperature can be adjusted up or down. So if I press the down button and hold it, it will quickly just take me down to a different temperature. And if I press the up button and hold it, it will take me back up to 600. So that's just a good way of doing it. When you get close to it, it's good to just stop it and click through just like that so that you can get the number that you want. Pressing the forward button again gives me the hold time. Now we don't want a hold time here, so you can put a hold time in there if you're wanting to burn something out, burn any organics out or slow the firing down at that stage. But here there's no hold time in there. So we just press the forward button again and it gives us the second segment. So you can see that in the small box there, that's the second segment, and you can see the up arrow saying that it's an up ramp. And that's at 200 degrees going up again, and press the forward button again, and that gives us, we're firing to 1000 degrees centigrade here, and then we press the forward button again, and that gives us the hold time. Here we've chosen 10 minutes, but we can press the up button to increase the hold time, or press the down button to decrease the hold time. So that's pretty much it. You press the forward button again, and then that's the end of the program. The kiln will cool naturally, and when it's finished, the programmer will let you know that the firing is completely finished. So that's the ST215. I hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching.